Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says, learn the use of Butere. Butere in English, it means brought in as a verb in sentences. We are going to learn a topic that says Butere as a verb in Igbo. It means brought in. Let's start. Igbo, English. Number one sentence says, Nne ego butere anyị mmanụ anwụ ụtọ ugbu a. Class, or say that. Nne ego butere anyị mmanụ anwụ ụtọ ugbu a. Meaning, Ego's mother brought in sweet honey for us now. Ego's mother brought in sweet honey for us now. Nne ego butere anyị mmanụ anwụ ụtọ ugbu a. Remember, our verb here is brought in. It is in past tense. It means in Igbo, butere, butere, past tense. Butere is past tense of bute, bute. Number two sentence says, O butere ya na nnukwu efere ya. Or say that, O butere ya na nnukwu efere ya. Meaning, she brought it in her big basin. O butere ya na nnukwu afere ya. She brought it in her big basin. The last sentence says, O butere ya ụzọ abụọ. Class, say it. O butere ya ụzọ abụọ. Meaning, she brought it in two parts. O butere ya ụzọ abụọ. O butere ya ụzọ abụọ. She brought it in two parts. Like now, we have used, that is Ego's mother, to do all these sentences, or to make all these sentences. We use Ego's mother. We use Ego's mother to make all these three sentences based on one thing she does. So, like and share our videos. Follow me at my YouTube handle, Rejoice Chinwendu Special TV. Follow me on Instagram, Rejoice Chinwendu page. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.